It is truly an honor for our city to host more than 1,000 cooperative leaders at this important gathering. May this gathering inspire new ideas, strengthen partnerships, and reaffirm your commitment to service.
The cooperative spirit on fire is our strongest weapon. When we cooperate, we unite, and care for one another, we are unstoppable.
You have CDA's full support, full commitment, and undying and unwavering assistance and partnership in all of the endeavors of the NATCCO network.
As I continue my journey, I still face challenges, but now I face them differently because I know I'm not alone. I have my family who supports me, I have my teacher who guide me, and I have my cooperative that believes in me.
Cooperatives are central to this and networks. They provide structure, they enable access, and they create opportunity between production and markets.
Good morning, cooperators! Welcome to the second day of NATCCO's 49th Annual General Assembly and 24th Leaders Congress.
The International Cooperative Alliance strategy for 2026 to 2030 is about practice, promote, and protect the cooperative identity. It is a roadmap adopted in July 2025 to strengthen, grow, and secure cooperative movement worldwide.
So what we are seeing is that stronger local systems are the new foundations of development.
Another bill that we are posing also to promote co-ops is the establishment of the local cooperative development fund, meaning mandating all LGUs to provide fund for cooperative development.
Don't be afraid to be innovative, to have an impact on people. Because if God is with you, you can do wonders with others.
can change the world. One child at a time, one community at a time, one cooperative at a time, one person at a time. Kaya po natin dito. Mabigat ang problema, pero pagsama-sama tayo, gagaan ang ating pinapasan.
One Co-op identity.
One Co-op identity.